Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up lower yesterday, and they're lower again to get the day started so far this morning. Not a whole lot of fresh news out on the front. The main thing we're kind of keeping our eye on this morning is Ukraine corn. It's much cheaper than what the corn we've got here in the United States, so could see a demand shift based on that due to exports. It makes more sense to buy corn where it's cheaper than where it costs more to buy it and ship it from. So keeping our eye over on Ukraine as their corn is cheaper right now. That could put a little bit of a dent into corn exports. Other than that, really not a whole lot's changed. For soybeans, you're kind of watching the situation down in South America. Also cancellations from China. Wheat, you got the situation over in Russia, Ukraine. If that escalates, could it give wheat a kick in the pants that it needs to go higher? Right now, there's not really any issues going on that are headline grabbing or market shocking to a point where it would send the wheat market higher. So we've been kind of like treading lower in the wheat market. And then going back to beans, got those cancellations from China early last week and then late the week before. Those should come through on the export sales report tomorrow. So likely won't see some huge export sales for the soybean market. Probably we'll see it for meal as we're waiting for Argentina to kick up their meal exports to take the demand away from that side of it. But really not much has changed. Weather's not an issue down in South America right now. Demand shifting down there. That's one of the reasons we're seeing soybeans slide lower like we have been, as we've talked about quite a bit here. So that's all we've got for today. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.